Well, Allison is off-roading her Jeep. This is new.
Yeah.
It's the first time she's ever. Oh my God! Your dad's gonna kill you.
I'm like at home. Sick. I wonder how far I should go back.
Oh, this place is pretty.
Look at the.
It's really cool.
Sick. Going through every single mud.
She's gonna purposely hit every mud puddle.
Yes, because it's finally getting dirty. I'm no longer a pavement princess. You can't throw that in my face anymore.
Fine, yeah, fine. Check the other side.
Mud, folks.
Check the other side. You got a lot. I think there's some on your grill. Look at her. She's so happy. The city girl is so happy.
There's mud on it, folks. Oh, God.
She can't get in and out because of her coveralls. She's wearing my dad's coveralls. We got the Scout Jeep. We got to go look for parking spots. Oh, hey. Thank you. I thought you locked your keys in your car for a second. Your Jeep is actually
Muddy.
well, it's the Scout Jeep.
It's working. We're a working Jeep now.
It's home.
Let's go see.
I'm gonna go ahead and say the dually should not go this far.
Alright, these are gonna have to come off for doing this.
Yeah. I'm gonna say no.
No.
Holy shit.
Dude, look at my Jeep go. It's finally doing this. I'm doing like the bare minimum, but I'm doing it.
Well, the city girl got her Jeep muddy.
I'm not a city girl.
Not anymore, look at you.
Ohio's not city.
We definitely need to take pictures of it while it's muddy.
I want to take pictures of it going uphill.
Yeah. She just got these new decals. They were faded and pink. Her dad made her some new blue ones with the diamond plate.
Gosh, look at that.
Let's go scout this out. Billy's gonna mess everybody up, dude. Well, we're here at Tecumseh Trails doing something we've never done. Where are we at? I don't even know.
I don't know. No
We're
idea.
just along for the ride right now. Billy was like, let's go do dirt drags. I was like, okay, yeah, let's go do it. So we got up early this morning and here we are. And I just got pelted. So yeah, I guess it's probably a one-time thing, but we're gonna try taking pictures of hillbillies on four-wheelers.
Yeah, mine's bogging. I'm like, alright, come on, power, and then it's spinning. I'm like, alright, fuck it, let's throw gears at it.
Uh-oh, here comes Molly. See if we can get a good shot. Oh, that's sick. Trying to debate whether I want to do a fast shutter speed or slow. If I want the mud to be kind of frozen in air, or if I want it to be like rooster tails, I don't know. I'll try and experiment. The real challenge is not getting my camera muddy. I want to ruin my camera. I need some wheelies. Let's go up there. Oh, this dude is definitely doing a wheelie. to make any weight transfer. Cool shot of Banshee here. Yeah, that's lame. They're gonna be sweet. These are gonna be cool. Oh, that's a cool shot. Smile. Kitty. Hold your foot on the brake. Left foot. Yep. Hold it all the way down. Now put the gas to the floor. There you go.
Am I going? You fucking saved it.
Oh my god.
Well, center a little.
Her new rainbow glasses are a little muddy.
Pit vipers.
Mud in her teeth. Allison's learning how to drift. Look at the hand movements. Oh, oh, uh-oh. Oh shit.
He said I wouldn't need four-wheel drive for this. I disagree.
Are you in four-wheel drive?
Yes.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. It's for rock climbing anyways.
I would get some momentum going up this. It looks pretty slippery. There you go. But look at that. Skimpers alone.
Can you imagine your blazer out here?
Oh, it would be, it'd be still back there. I think we could stop right here in this little tree and take some pictures.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take some B-roll too. Oh god.
You should take some.
Huh?
You should take some of me going down there and up.
Okay. Oh my god, this is terrible. Alright. Let's go. Manual. 100. Let's go 1.8. Let's go right here. All right. Okay. God, this is so bad.
My headlights and light bar on.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that looks better. Let's get down here by this little tire track. That'll look cool. Oh, there we go. Oh God. Okay. All right, let's do some B-roll. chocolate. We're cold.
Very cold.
We got some cool pictures. Didn't take a lot. Just kind of focused on having fun today, but got some good stuff. Billy won somehow. Molly almost won. I have no idea how.
Yep. Pretty eventful morning.
We got to take her Jeep off-roading for like the first time. She's so proud.
Yeah, I'm really proud. It's really exciting. Once again, I can't be called a pavement princess anymore.
She was trying to prove to me that she's worthy.
He told me that he was impressed, so don't let him lie to you guys. He's impressed.
She drove the shit out of the Razor too.
That's right.
She drove around some dude and was like manhandling the wheel and everything.
You sound surprised. Why do you sound surprised?
I'm not. I'm
Yeah, you are.
just proud, that's all. Whatever. We're gonna go get food. Hot chocolate. I wonder where we're racing next weekend. Next weekend's Christmas, isn't it?
Yeah, next weekend's Christmas, so 2 weekends off of drag racing in a row.
Maybe we'll do some type of photography challenge. I don't know. We'll have to think of something.
Let us know what you guys...
Maybe we should do a Q&A.
Would you guys be interested in a Q&A or some photography challenge or anything like that?
Let's do a Q&A. Leave questions in the comments, and we'll see what happens. We'll read some of the questions, and then we'll decide if we want to do it. I don't know, it'll be fun. A little short video.
Definitely. Just to make, since we're not racing or anything, I think it'd be fun. Also, you can get to know us a little better.
Yeah.
Since it's a new channel.
Yeah. right.
See you guys.
See ya.